Master plan developers are installing intelligent infrastructure, which includes PINs and micro AI data centers that services the community. These regional data centers ensure data remains sovereign to its citizens and will serve as local hubs for a new generation of innovative businesses. Intelligent infrastructure economic zones activate a new class of locally built service providers founded by local entrepreneurs. Our future generations are digital natives and innovative leaders. They will spearhead this physical world revolution, leveraging intelligent infrastructure and AI to design and build intelligent services in our communities. Services like drone as a first responder, AI service providers, active digital twin providers, automated mobility districts, drone delivery, autonomous lawn services, STEM enablement, augmented reality, urban air mobility, and dozens more. Pick any three and you can establish an IEZ in your community. Intelligent infrastructure is the foundation for physical AI, autonomous ground systems, automated mobility districts, and the low-altitude economy. IEZs turn the current AI infrastructure build-out into a unifying national mission of productive renewal, getting Americans off screens into hands-on work that builds, maintains, and sustains their local communities, supporting shared purpose of making America work better, look better, and last longer. Intelligent infrastructure is the digital backbone of America's next economy. Without it, autonomy, resilience, and shared prosperity remain just ideas.